Zone zéro. L'endroit où tu pleures et tu penses que tu ris. Hello, everybody. Today is a good day for me. I hope it'll be a good day for you too. It's full of snow everywhere, but we like it. It makes it bright, and that's fun. So today is a cool day. We actually get to make our game progress through different scenes, not just stay inside our little tic-tac-toe board, which is pretty cool because that's a step towards having a complete game, you know. It might be a small game, but it's still fun to make progress with it. So, let's get going. Let's get going with that and see what happens. Yoop. There we go. All right, so what we have here already, which we've had forever, is our tic-tac-toe game. And remember we made scenes at the very beginning. Title screen, win screen. So we have pretty much everything ready to go. However, we want to progress from the game to the win screen. How does Unity does that? Let's see how Unity does it. If you check the build settings here, they are already numbered 0, 1, and 2. If you had more, it would go further and further. These are integers, int values, and we can use this. If I look at my script here, when we win, we write a debug message right now. But what we can do is have it instead change scene. If we go scene manager, which is something built into Unity, load scene, we can simply put in 2 and it will actually load the scene. I don't believe you. Okay, well, I'll show you that I'm not, BSing. So if we press play and we make X win, boom! Transitions were made. However, the problem that we have with that is if it's not X that wins, if we make O win, it says player X1 anyway. So we want to change that so it says player O1 when it O wins and player X wins when X wins. That was hard to say. So what can we do? We need to go inside our win screen here and add a script to it because we do everything with scripts, which is what is fun. So we take this box, add component to it, and add a script to it. We only add it to the one that we want to change. I will call it a win screen text. Okay. And then of course Unity puts it into your default assets folder down here. I want it to be in my scripts folder because I'm a big nerd. Open up your windscreen thingy-majig, and what we're gonna do is whenever it starts, so when we need to display the scene, this will launch, it'll be display winner. We're gonna call in this function called display winner. So we're gonna make it void. And we're gonna print, we can't print, can we? No, we cannot. What we need to do is edit this. So I'm gonna make a public text field in field text. Oh, no. Oh, what did it not like? Text. Yes. Public text. I like. Let's call it winner. And when we're gonna edit the text of it to say, do we need parentheses? Let's see. Hello. If I just do this, it works. If I want to add, okay, this works. Perfect. Why am I checking this out? Is because when you're in the game mechanics, here we know who wins. We can just write A, but A is enclosed within the game mechanics script. Other scripts do not know who is the winner. So we need to make a public variable here to pass along the winner to our win screen. So we're gonna add, by the way, check this out. It added an import on its own to the scene management. You don't even have to worry about that. So public static, what do we want? Player 1 Let's do that. Oh, it's a string as well. My bad. I'm taking string because these are already strings. So player one equals A. And here, check this out. We're gonna change this for player game mechanics dot player one has won. Oops, no capitals. Has won this round. Congrats. Technically, this should work. If I come back into Unity, I should see a public field for the text appearing in this script here. So let's see if it works. Let's go with C, let's go with game. Oh, yes, save. Save everything, my friend. Yikes. Oh, I'm excited. So we're gonna make player O win, which is the one that we'll really know if it works. It does not win. It does not work. Object not set to an instance of an object. Okay, this is interesting. So, I know. This is the debug messages are really good. I always check. So win screen text dot display winner. It's this right here. This does not do anything. So we're gonna grab the text and drop it down right here. The text that we already have, we're dropping it down right here. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna fix the issue. Pretty sure. We'll see though. Let's go, my friends. Hey, awesome. So this is what we have done for today. We're going to make the transition go like this. And next time what we'll do is actually make the title screen pick, I mean, we have to pick two players, right? Or I can make the AI. I can make the AI the next game. Yeah, okay. Next video, I'll make the AI so when you're one player, it plays against you. I'll try to not make it I'll make it a random AI instead of a linear one. He won't try to win, he's just gonna put something somewhere. Try to put you off your game. Cool. I think this is it. I think this is it. I'm quite happy with what we've done so far. I think it looks cool. I think it looks fun. I think it works like it should. I think it's pretty simple too. So like and subscribe if you want to know when new videos are coming up because my videos are just awesome, right? Anyway, bye.